Climate change is real. It's happening now. We are all responsible. The evidence is all around us, from the melting glaciers in the Arctic to the raging forest fires seen around the world, in places like Australia and others. These are not isolated incidents, but part of a larger, more troubling pattern. Our everyday actions, especially in wealthy nations, release harmful greenhouse gases. The cars we drive, the plastic products we use, and the forests we cut down all contribute to this growing problem. It's a cycle that we need to break. The main culprit? Carbon dioxide, better known as CO2. This invisible gas is released in massive quantities from burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. It's the silent force driving climate change. Each of us has a carbon footprint. This footprint is a measure of the impact our activities have on the environment, particularly in terms of the amount of greenhouse gases we produce. Think of it as a shadow following you, representing the amount of CO2 your actions release. Every time you drive a car, use electricity, or even buy groceries, your carbon footprint grows. The bigger the shadow, the greater your impact on the planet. This shadow isn't just a metaphor. It's a real measure of the strain we put on our environment. This isn't about guilt, but about understanding. Understanding the consequences of our actions is the first step towards making better choices. Why does this matter? CO2 traps heat in the atmosphere. This trapped heat leads to global warming, which in turn causes a cascade of environmental issues. This leads to rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and extreme weather events. Hurricanes become more intense, floods more frequent, and droughts more severe. It disrupts ecosystems and threatens our very existence. Coral reefs die, forests disappear, and countless species face extinction. Calculating your carbon footprint is the first step towards change. By understanding your own impact, you can start to make more sustainable choices. It's about taking responsibility and making informed choices. Simple actions like using reusable bags, installing solar panels, or biking to work can make a big difference. It's about recognizing our individual power to make a difference. When we come together as a community, our collective actions can lead to significant change. Every small step counts in the fight against climate change. Where does our carbon footprint come from? Let's break it down. 4 main areas dominate. Energy use at home. Heating, cooling, appliances, and electronics all require energy, often from burning fossil fuels. Transportation. Cars, trucks, planes. Our reliance on fossil fuel-powered vehicles is a major source of emissions. Diet. What we eat matters. Meat production, especially beef, is a significant contributor to greenhouse gases. Waste. Landfills generate methane, another potent greenhouse gas. The throwaway culture is literally suffocating the planet. Understanding these sources is crucial. It allows us to pinpoint areas where we can make the most significant changes. It empowers us to take control of our impact. Ready to measure your impact? Understanding your carbon footprint is the first step towards making a positive change for the environment. Online carbon footprint calculators make it easy. These tools are designed to help you understand how your daily activities contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. These tools guide you through a series of questions about your lifestyle. They cover various aspects, such as your home energy use, transportation habits, diet, and even your shopping preferences. Step 1. Choose a reputable calculator. There are many options available online, each with its own unique features and focus areas. Many options exist, some tailored to specific regions or lifestyles. Step 2. Answer honestly. The more truthful you are, the more accurate your results will be. The accuracy of your results depends on it. Don't underestimate your consumption. Be mindful of all the little things that add up, like your daily commute or the products you buy. The more specific your answers, the more precise your carbon footprint estimate. Detailed information helps the calculator provide a clearer picture of your environmental impact. Step 3. Review your results. Take the time to understand what the numbers mean and how they relate to your daily activities. The calculator will present your estimated carbon footprint, often in tons of CO2 per year. This gives you a tangible measure of your impact on the planet. This number is not a judgment, but a starting point. It's an opportunity to see where you stand and identify areas for improvement. It's a snapshot of your current impact, a baseline for measuring progress. Use this information to set goals and track your efforts to reduce your carbon footprint over time.